And let's go. I use W because I have the W in my code to run it. And you can see this is something you are just creating. It's a part of the project that you are doing. Right? This is something 90 into 40 you know the reason that it just said that it just said right. And then you can see the textures, the pastels, the other pastels and everything right. You know animations are being played right now. And this is shadowed by it, right? Now you can see now with the touch that if you go down the more of certain surface, you will look clear automatically and when you start. This is the scenario where again this is held of the first time that the able to visualize help that the option is like primary and in the shoe that